Now, the High Court in Pretoria will this morning hear the SAPS Deputy National Commissioner for Crime Detection Shadrack Sibiya's bid to invalidate the National Police Commissioner Fannie Masemola's decision to place him on leave of absence. Let's get more from SABC News reporter Canny Maphanga. Canny, good morning. Talk to us about what we're expecting today.
Indeed, good morning to you, Leanne, and to the viewers at home. We're in the urgent court inside the Gauteng High Court in Pretoria, where we expect the top cops, that is Lieutenant General Shadrack Sibiya and General Fannie Masemola, to face off over this issue of the suspension, or rather what Sibiya terms as an order to stay home pending an investigation. Now, for our viewers that are not quite familiar with this particular saga, it is that Sibiya was one of the individuals that was fingered by KZN top cop, that is Lieutenant General Mkonazi, in his briefing that sent shockwaves through the nation about alleged corruption and misconduct and alleged collusion with organized crime syndicates within the police and the security cluster, were made public to South Africans and the globe at large. Of course, what followed then were some measures that were taking place against some of those individuals that were fingered in those particular allegations. And of course, what is coming up to test or probe these particular allegations is the Commission of Inquiry that will be chaired by retired Justice Madlanga to probe and test the allegations and come up with a report that gives the facts surrounding the allegations that the KZN top cop has made. Now, on the backdrop of those allegations being made, one of the individuals that has faced some measures as a response to these allegations is Lieutenant General Shadrack Sibiya, who was told, we see in papers, to stay at home pending an investigation. Now, what makes him different from the Minister of Police, who has been placed on that leave of absence, is that he is using labor laws, that is the Basic Conditions of Employment Act, as well as the discipline regulations, to challenge the lawfulness of the decision made by Masemola. We'll see him argue in court that he wasn't afforded due process regarding this particular issue, and that the National Police Commissioner did not have the powers to place him on suspension, effectively pending that Commission of Inquiry, or pending that investigation. So essentially what he's asking for today is for that decision to be invalidated. Alternatively, he is seeking an interdict that would stop the National Police Commissioner from making any decisions pending his employment until the Commission of Inquiry has investigated those particular facts, because Sibiya is arguing that he cannot be placed on suspension effectively on allegations that are untested. We expect that hearing to begin at 10 a.m. this morning, and of course we'll be giving you those visuals live when it begins.